What's up, viewers? Just wanted to show you my 42-inch Aloha Breeze or Aloha housewares, whichever you prefer. This is their knockoff of the Hampton Bay Littleton ceiling fan. And there's a lot of things I like better about the Littleton. The only thing that I like better about this one is that the accents, like the pull chains and the screws and stuff, are brass. But I'll give you a demonstration. Now we'll start the fan on low. This fan is very noisy. I mean, it's okay as far as air movement, but I think the Littleton fan is better. I'm surprised it's not buzzing right now. Next up is going to be the outdoor fan by Aloha. Now, one thing, this fan wobbles like crazy. Here's medium. Yeah, I definitely have seen a lot better performance from the Littleton. And this fan is like really cheaply made. I mean, the motor in there is only like this thick. Whereas the Littleton motor is like this. Now I'll put it on high. It's not too awfully bad. See, it's labeled fan, and then over here it says light. But yeah. Now we'll shut it off and watch it coast. You can see it wobbles. You can see the bounce in the blades is nuts. But I noticed that the blade arms on the Littleton are a lot thicker of metal rather than this one. And it's got a heavier bracket, heavier motor. And this fan is also a candelabra-based light bulb ceiling fan. So I can't say I'm a big fan of that, but... because trust me, I've seen a lot nicer ceiling fans. But I still hang on to it because there's going to be a use for it someday. And, yeah, I would like it a lot better if it had a regular size E26 base light bulb. You can see the bearings are in pretty good shape. I mean, it's not too bad for as tiny as these blades are. You see they're kind of tiny. Just about done. You can see how crazy smooth that these bearings are. Yeah, this came with that little multicolored hugger that you saw in the previous video. I liked it better though as far as air movement and noise. You see we're still going. If you hear the noise in the background, that is my washing machine. Okay, now I'll just show you the other side of the blades, just that oak finish. But yeah, so that is the 42-inch Aloha Housewares Hampton Bay Littleton knockoff. So yeah, I will see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned.